Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to transfer Discord server ownership. Firstly, open the Discord desktop app or go to discord.com and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, click on the server you want to manage from the left sidebar. In the top left of the selected server, click the server name. A drop-down menu will appear. In the drop-down menu, click Server Settings to access all server management options. And in the left sidebar of the Settings menu, click on Members under the User Management section, and you'll now see a list of all server members. Find the member you want to transfer ownership to, then click the three-dot icon next to their name. In the menu that pops up, click Transfer Ownership. A confirmation window will appear. Check the acknowledgement box confirming you understand the change. Just click Transfer Ownership button to finalize it. The selected member now has the crown icon next to their name indicating they're the new server owner. You remain in the server, but you'll no longer have full control. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.